Domestic. Relating to the home or family. She enjoys domestic activities like cooking. Domestic cats are common pets. They had a domestic quarrel. Domestic flights are cheaper than international ones. He prefers domestic products over imported ones.